we're going to do our first cook on the Brisk It Smart Pellet Grill. Just did an update. Check it out. Okay, tonight I'm going to smoke up some chicken leg quarters. I'm going to go inside, get those prepared, and we're going to make a smoked chicken enchilada casserole. I'm also going to be using some Brisk It premium wood oak pellets tonight for this cook. So let's get them inside the hopper. All right, press ignite. I like to let the smoke roll for a little while until the pellets actually catch fire, and then we'll close the lid. It's just the way I do it. All right, there we go. All right, the app just told me it's 350 degrees. It's time to get these chicken leg quarters in there and get this cook going. All right, I'm gonna stick a temp probe in one of these. I'm going to stick that guy right back here in the back. All right, my app says the chicken's at 165, at least this one back here. So let me just check these up front. 163, 164, 165. Take them off. That temp probe out of there. All right, there we go. That was about 45 minutes at 350 degrees, and look at here. Barely any pellets even used. I'm not even down to the grate yet. There's the grate down there. All right, so far so good. Loving it. All right, for my red chili sauce, I'm gonna use a 1/4 cup of diced sweet onion, 4 cups of beef broth. You can use chicken broth if you want, or water, it doesn't matter. I love the beef broth. And then we're gonna add some red chili powder. I prefer the gourmet red chili powder from Chili Traditions. I'm adding 6 tablespoons. And my camera went off. I actually forgot to turn it back on, but I also added a tablespoon of granulated garlic and a 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Mixed it up, added the chicken. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Now we're just gonna cover it with foil and get it back on the grill. Okay. Now we're just gonna get this in here for 45 minutes to an hour. I wanna get that chicken nice and tender. Let's take a peek. It's been 45 minutes. Whew. That steam, look at that. Just gonna take a quick temp check here. 181, climbing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this off. We're gonna let it rest for probably a couple hours, and we will continue this build. Okay, this chicken is rested for about 4 hours. We're just gonna take it and set it on the pan. First thing you want to do is get the skin off of it. And then once you got the skin off, you just start taking it apart. And hey, check this out. Fall off the bone. And you want to get each piece of chicken and just shred it up. I like using my hands when I shred stuff. And when you're done, you get a nice pile of shredded chicken. Okay, so my red chili sauce is a little runnier than I prefer. So I'm going to let this simmer for about 20-25 minutes and reduce down just a little bit. And then we'll put the build on. All right, I got the Brisk It pellet grill heating back up. So I need to get these built. So I'm gonna start off with just a little bit of sauce in the bottom. And then we're just gonna start layering. We're getting a corn tortillas in here. 6 on the bottom. All right, just add a layer of chicken. Nice layer of chicken. Then I shredded up some fresh shredded cheddar, Colby Jack, just about everything I had in the fridge. We're gonna add some cheese. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and ladle over some more of this red chili sauce over the top of this. I want it all the way through. Of course, I will add it at the end. Another layer of tortillas. A good layer of chicken. I think you get the idea, so I'm going to speed this up. I'm going to get the chicken, the cheese, add a little bit of sauce, some more tortillas, and then to top it off, I'm going to add more chicken, what I had left. And then I'm going to cover it with the rest of the red chili sauce. And then, of course, we're going to add the cheese. We're going to get this covered with foil. And once it's covered with foil, we'll get it back out to the grill. We're just going to put this in here. Or, I don't know, we'll probably go about 30 to 45 minutes. We'll give it a look. Maybe go 30 minutes and uncover it, and we'll be back. Okay, and just so I don't forget, I'm going to set timer 1 for, I'm going to set it for 30 minutes just so I don't forget about it. All right, let's give it a look. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I'm going to take the foil off, let it bake for a little bit, smoke for a little bit, maybe about 20 minutes. We'll come back out. Okay, it's gone about 20 more minutes. Look at that. All right, I'm going to pull this off. I'm going to let it rest about 20 minutes or so and give it a taste. All right, look at that. It's been resting right about 20 minutes. It's still pretty warm, pretty hot heat coming off. But let's cut a piece out, see if we can get it out of here and do a taste test. So I'm gonna first try with a butter knife because my knives are really sharp and I'll probably cut right through the aluminum pan. So let's see if the butter knife will work. We'll just cut a nice big piece. Let's see if we can't get it out of this pan. Okay. Moment of truth. All right, looks pretty good. Came out okay. Get those last little bits here. Ooh, it is warm. All right, there you go. Okay. Smoked chicken enchilada casserole on the Brisk It 580. I gotta tell you, yes, it was an all-day project, but it was by design. There it is. It looks delicious. So let's just take a taste. All right, there you go. Oh my goodness. The red chili sauce is perfect. Just enough cheese. Oh man. I gotta tell you, definitely worth making. Worth taking all day to do it, just in steps, you know. There was no hurry today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget, have a great day.